Hi, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a medium background removal in Photoshop. There are some products that are hard to trace, especially with furry objects like this one. There are some tips on how to remove the background using the channel method. First, import your photos in Photoshop and duplicate them. Then go to the Channel tab and duplicate the blue channel. The next thing to do is adjust the levels. Drag the sliders to adjust the shadow and highlights. Then click OK. There are parts that are still white. Just use an eraser tool to make it black. Then click the Load Channel as selection. If it selects the background, just proceed with the masking. If not, you need to reverse it first. And now you can add your new background. And you want to save this without background. Just click on File on the menu bar. Then save as PNG. And there you go. That's how you do medium background removal in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.